Did you know that millions of people in the UK are walking around with mistakes on their credit files right now? I'm talking about old addresses that should have been removed years ago, accounts showing as open when they've been closed, or even missed payments that never actually happened. And here's the scary part. These errors could be the reason your mortgage application gets declined, or why you're offered a much higher interest rate than you expected. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot these mistakes and get them fixed before they cost you thousands of pounds on your next mortgage or remortgage. So why does this matter so much? Well, when you apply for a mortgage, lenders don't just take your word for how good you are with money. They rely heavily on credit reports from the three main credit reference agencies in the UK. That's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These agencies collect information about your financial history and create a picture of how risky you are to lend to. If there are errors painting you as a higher risk borrower, you could face rejection or end up paying significantly more in interest over the life of your mortgage. The first step is actually spotting these errors, and this is where many people go wrong. Each of the three credit agencies holds slightly different information about you, so checking just one isn't enough. You need to see what all three have on file. Now, traditionally, this meant signing up to 3 different services and comparing reports manually, which is incredibly time-consuming and frankly quite confusing. The good news is, there's an easier way. You can see everything from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion in one go using Checkmyfile. I'll leave a link below to make it easy. This gives you a complete picture of what lenders will see when they assess your application. Once you've got your reports, here's exactly how to fix any errors you find. First, highlight the incorrect entry and make a note of which agency it appears on. Next, gather your evidence. This might be bank statements showing the correct payment history, letters confirming an account was closed, or proof of address changes. Then contact the relevant credit reference agency, either in writing or through their online dispute form. Be clear about what's wrong and include your supporting documents. The agency then has up to 28 days to investigate your dispute. They'll contact the company that provided the information and ask them to verify it. If they can't verify the information, or if it's proven incorrect, they'll remove or correct it. Once this happens, your credit score updates automatically across their system. Here's an extra tip that many people don't realize. Improving your credit file doesn't just help with mortgages. A better credit score can lower your costs on car finance, reduce credit card interest rates, and even bring down your insurance premiums. It's one of the most valuable things you can do for your financial health. If you haven't checked your credit report recently, now's the time. You can spot and fix issues before they become a problem, and you can see your full report from all 3 agencies in one place with Checkmyfile. Links in the description below.